The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Go on, the man will return in the English, man. I see, I lift up and come get him out dog park, yes, sir. Bonaman park, yes, sir. Bumbuckler, dog, and hot, daddy. My dog, I lift up and killer Bonaman. Bumbuckler. Hold him, daddy. Hold him, daddy. Hold him, daddy.
Hey, that cameraman didn't easy at all, you know. Alright, viewers and subscribers, just say this edited video that I just showed you, this video, yes, it says piece, this is a video put together about, yes, what I just showed you, it shows of something that's said to have happened, where it is said that a man come catch Joe Grind in yard. You see me? Another way of saying it is a man come and caught another man at his house. You see me? Or a man caught his wife cheating with another man. Basically, it means that this man caught his wife cheating with another man. You see what I'm saying to you? Well, you know what I mean. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, the main thing I want to point out, you see, is that, how shocking this video be. You see me? Some people find it exciting, you see me? Because I see this video on social media and some of the comments I said to myself, say, you can see it, say, some persons find it exciting. But what is joke to you is not to another person. You get what I'm saying to you? So watch this now. And this goes for both ladies and gentlemen. If you're in a relationship with someone and if you do not feel the same way as the other persons feel about you or the other person feel about you, you should let that person know by sitting them down and say, look, I am not feeling this way and I want to do something else or move on or whatsoever. Don't go behind the person's back and do all kind of things, right? You see, the reason why I'm saying this is because when things are shocking, it can be very dangerous to the person. You get what I'm saying to you? That is the reason why when I'm presenting videos to my viewers and subscribers, I love to say, look, the following video, such and such, viewers discretion advisor, so and so. That's why I do that, because I don't want to present anything shocking to anyone, you see me? And not because me say that is not an excuse for persons to turn to violence, because a lot of these relationships out there turn to violence because of situation just like what you have seen in the video a while ago. Is what I'm saying to you? No, you don't do those things. Do not turn to violence whenever you find yourself in a situation where wife is cheating or husband is cheating. You don't do those things. It's not right. Alright? But anyways, big up to the cameraman. Big up to that person that is seen in the video that is claimed to be the man that come caught the man that his woman is cheating with. That man know that the woman is cheating with, and that man then call him Joe Grind. So big up to that person as well. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and I hope that everything works out for everyone there, and I hope that this thing don't turn out into any form of violence whatsoever. Alright? Yeah. Alright, so anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Skilla, big up on yourself. You see it?